Hi everyone, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. So today we are planning in it's Your Year to Shine classic size happy planner. We're planning for the week of January 6th till the 12th, and I'm going to be using the American Crafts sticker book. It's by Jen Hatfield and her stickers are absolutely gorgeous, and of course I'm going to be using the Colorful Boxes sticker book as well. So I'm going to start with some decorative stickers from the American Crafts, and we'll go from there. Their stickers are so beautiful. I did a flip through of all of the stickers I have from that company on another video, so I'll link it in this video as well, so if you wanted to go check it out, you can. Their stickers are absolutely gorgeous. Pulling some checklists out of the colorful boxes. These checklists are perfect for my meal tracking because there's 4 little dots, so that's basically for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack for me. And I'm using green ones because I'm going to be doing kind of a whimsical spread, and I'm gonna continue just pulling checklists until I have enough for every single day of the week. And I decided to go with green since there's those blue dates on top, and they're pretty difficult to cover because of the size of them. They're quite large, but green and blue actually go pretty well together, so I think that should work, especially that I'm kind of pulling in that teal color as well. And then the American Crafts has a page with icons, and I'm gonna fill in my workouts later depending on what I do. So I'm just gonna put an icon for now, and then probably I'll be making lines to write on. So I'm gonna put a little weight for working out. And I'm using these because they match the color of the stickers, and I kind of want everything to look super cohesive. So I typically work out Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. So I'm putting workouts on, I put the workouts on those dates. And then I need another decoration piece for the 9th, which is that Thursday. And look how gorgeous the sticker is with grateful heart. It's just beautiful. It's such a pretty sticker. So I can decide what I want to do for my mood. Since this is my wellness tracker, and I do food and workouts, and then my mood, I need boxes. But the boxes in the American Crafts are just not big enough. So I'm going to use the Colorful Boxes sticker book again and pull out some green. And I'm just gonna add some florals and write in breakfast, lunch, and dinner for every single day. And then that'll be pretty much it out of my layout this week. And if you guys have any sticker books or any layouts that you wanted me to do, please let me know. I'll try to do my best to do them. I'm gonna be doing a memory keeping one pretty soon. I just have to print some pictures of myself and my family. I don't have any of those fancy little printers, so I'm just gonna use a regular printer and size them and cut them out, and we'll do a memory spread in one of my planners, and that should be it. I know that one of my subscribers asked to do a memory plan, and I intend to do it fairly quickly. I just need to find some pictures that I want to print and do some memory keeping. Maybe I'll do like a mock-up page of a vacation I did. Again, thank you so much for watching. I have a video of a flip through of those books if you're interested. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're not, please consider doing so. I am extremely grateful for every single subscriber I have. And it makes me extremely happy to see my channel grow. I don't do this to grow, but I really do enjoy what I do. And it's kind of nice to see that other people enjoy what I do as well. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!